Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find where the power windows relay is located, stay with us. We'll demonstrate in that video today where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So guys, now for the power windows, which relay we need to check, we'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Silverado. By the way, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know about. We will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. But now, guys, what do we need to do? We need to open the driver door, and here on the side of the dash you have one cover that's removable. Just pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 through 16 model, and layout like that for 2017 through 19. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, quick thing: if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. Now, for the power windows, guys, there is very limited information, but we will need to check 3 main fuses that are known as relay fuses, and also some other relays. Now, guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Excuse me. Now, for 2014 through 16 model, if we zoom in, we will, guys, first need to check fuse number 8. So fuse number 8, guys, okay, if you come now, okay, see that's the fuse box right here, okay, if we look, okay, let me show you now. So we're looking, okay, at fuse number 8. So it will be that fuse that you need to, that's 6, 7, 8 right here. That fuse will be the one that you will, guys, need to check. Now you will need to check also fuse number 40. Now fuse number 40, guys, is that one here, very important fuse. Now, if you have 2017 through 19 fuse number, it will be the same in fuse number 40 as well. But on the back side of the box you have 2 relays. There is very limited information, but check that relay right here, guys, on top as well. Now, also you need to open the passenger door next, and you have a cover like that on the passenger side. Open that one, and for 2014 through 16 it looks just like this one. Here you will need to, guys, check relay number 42. We're talking about this relay right there. Excuse me, that fuse, okay, because practically that's known as a relay fuse 42. And if you come for 2017 through 19, that's the same thing, fuse number 42. On the back side you may have a few more relays. Check those just in case, guys, okay, but most likely it's the one right there on top that you will need to check for the power windows. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.